What's the difference between a coach who struggles to get clients and one who consistently grows their business? A system that works. If you've been thinking about selling your coaching services but feel overwhelmed by how to package them, set up a website, or even get started, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build a coaching website and set up packages that are simple to manage, feel professional, and most importantly, work for both you and your clients. The first step is figuring out who you want to help and how. It's tempting to say that you'll coach anyone, but trust me, being specific is actually what sets you apart. Think about your ideal client. Are they first time entrepreneurs trying to launch their businesses, established business owners looking to scale, or maybe you specialize in solving a specific challenge like marketing strategy or productivity? When you get clear on your niche, everything else, your packages, your pricing, and your messaging becomes much easier. Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to decide what you'll include in your coaching packages. So, a lot of the most successful coaches that we work with at Memberspace offer multiple tiers. And this is a great way to meet clients at different levels and budgets. So, let's go over an example of what this might look like. You might have a basic tier, which includes some introductory content like templates, guides, and maybe access to your private community. Then you might have a middle tier that includes everything in that basic tier plus live monthly workshops. And then finally, maybe you have a premium tier, which includes everything in those basic and middle tiers, plus personalized weekly action plans, progress reports, and coaching session notes or recordings. Here is the key though. Personalized content like those weekly action plans and tailored feedback, things like that, that is what a lot of successful coaches offer in their highest tiers. Clients love content that's made specifically for them and they are willing to pay for it. So make sure if you're going to offer personalized content, you put that in your highest paying tier. Now that you've mapped out your packages, it's time to organize your content on your website. So stick with me, this part is really important. The first thing you'll want to do is create pages for your general resources. So this is where you're going to put content like your templates, guides, workshop recordings that all of your clients in a tier can access. So for example, if you have a bunch of templates you're offering your clients, you might want to set this up on a page like yoursite.com/clients/templates. If you have workshops, it might be yoursite.com/clients/workshops, and so on. The second thing you're going to want to do is set up personalized pages for individual clients. So again, if in that premium tier, if you're going to offer personalized coaching materials to your clients, you're going to need to set up private pages for each of those clients on your website. So those URLs might look like yoursite.com/clients/John Doe, or insert your client's name there at the end. This setup really just ensures that your clients can easily access everything that they need while giving your premium tier clients that extra VIP touch. So you might be wondering, what stops anyone from accessing these pages? Don't worry, we're going to take care of that in the next step. Now that you have your content ready to go on your website, it's time to gate those pages to make sure that only the right clients can access them based on which tier they've signed up for. So Memberspace makes this super simple. I'm going to show you how it works really quickly. So you'll open up your account and go over here to the left-hand side and click products. Then you'll click add product, and we're going to create a new product for each of the coaching resources that you have on your website. So say we are offering our clients workshops. We'll give it a name and then we will add the URL for that workshops page. So we'll say clients/workshops and then we'll click add now. This will lock that page so only your clients can access it. And then we'll specify in just a second which plans or tiers can access those workshops. If you are offering that premium tier with personalized coaching materials for each of your clients, you'll want to create a new product for each of your clients. So this might look like naming your product, your client's name, and then we'll add their personalized client page under here. And then we will click add now, and this will lock that client page for them. Okay, now let's talk about pricing. You have the flexibility to create as many plans as you need so you can tailor them to your coaching packages, but there are multiple pricing options to consider. So let's go over those really quick. First, we've got recurring subscriptions. This is perfect for ongoing coaching relationships, or if you're offering your clients something like a content library of resources where they're going to have ongoing access to that, you can do a recurring subscription. You can also do a one time payment for single coaching sessions or something like an online course or individual product. You also have the option to do multiple payments. So if you are selling some kind of high ticket package or digital product and you want to give your clients the option to pay you in installments, this is a really great option because it makes those more expensive packages and products a little bit more accessible. And then you've got the option to do a free plan as well. So sometimes coaches will offer a small amount of content for free to potential clients to let them try things out. And then, of course, upgrade when they are ready to. So let me show you how to set this up in MemberSpace. It will ask you how you will want to or how you will sell access to your product, and you'll click the option that you want to go with. And then under plan name, you'll want to create a new plan for each of your packages. So we've got our basic tier, and then I'll add my payment amount and payment interval. So we've got, $50 once a month, and then create this plan. We'll do that for each of our packages. And then you'll also want to create an individual plan for each of those clients who are getting personalized resources. So again, in the previous step, we created a page for each of our premium tier clients that we're giving that one-on-one personalized coaching to. So we're going to want to do the same thing here with plans. So I'm going to say we have a John Doe plan, and then I'll put in his payment amount and payment interval and create this plan. You've got your packages and your pricing all set up. Now it is time to get your clients signed up on your website. So all you have to do is copy the sign up link from your MemberSpace account for each package and add them to call to action buttons on your website. So usually people will do some kind of sales page, and when someone clicks the link, it will open up a sign up form and a payment form, and then they'll immediately get access to the content that is a part of their coaching package. If you are doing individual coaching, you'll want to make sure that you send each client a unique sign up link through email so that they get access to their individual client page. Before we wrap up, I just want to share a few quick tips to help you succeed. So first, start simple. Do not overcomplicate your first launch. If you just have one coaching package at first, that's totally fine. You can always add more later, but don't worry about being perfect. Just get something out there. Number 2, gather feedback. Your early clients are going to be extremely important to you understanding what's working and where you can improve. So send out some kind of survey, gather feedback, and change things up as necessary. 3, don't be afraid to experiment and test new ideas. This is going to be how you refine your packages over time and really figure out what works. And lastly, as you grow, consider adding additional resources and value to your coaching packages. So maybe you add group coaching to one of your plans, or maybe you add a resource library to serve more clients, something like that. And as you add more value, you can increase your prices as well. If you want more guidance on creating personalized coaching memberships, join our free one-on-one personalized memberships workshop. We run it daily, and we will walk you through everything step by step so you can set up packages that work for you and your clients. Thanks for watching.